Hi Cancer, I'm Anisha. You can visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for April 2012. Cancerians, we start this month with the lovely messenger Mercury going direct on 4th, and Mercury is going to be bringing all its benefits along with it. So you're going to be having a much better time communicating. For all those of you who have been waiting for some form of a correspondence or some news, be it in a form of a mail or a phone call, is going to come to you at this point of time. For a lot of you who have deals pending since end of Jan, you will see a lot of culmination or closure happening, and it is a great time for you in fact to take that initiation and go and do the closure as well. So it's a good month, Cancerians. Mars goes direct on 14th, and it's going to be touching your third house that rules the mind and the intellect and communication. So there's going to be a lot of creativity, there's going to be a lot of intellectual discussions that you're going to be having with your colleagues, with your friends. There's a lot of exchange of ideas, there's some amount of travel that is involved out here, so you could be both domestic as well as international. So a lot of you could be gearing up for a maybe a short trip. This is also a great time for a lot of you to be smoothing things out or having a discussion with your parents. So if the communication has been strained at this point of time, it's a great time for you to be sorting things out. We have a beautiful full moon in Libra on the 6th, and during that time you're going to be putting your closest relationships and partnerships under a scanner. I will be reviewing that in great detail in my love and relationship video. This month, Cancerians, it's a great time for you to be starting a new health and a diet regime. It's a great time for you to be maybe trying your hand at alternative way of exercising, maybe doing yoga, maybe trying your hand at meditation. You will benefit a great deal out of some form of an alternate therapy. So it could be acupuncture for some of you, but do keep your mind open and stay flexible. It's also a great time for a lot of you to acknowledge, accept and transform your fears or your insecurities at this point of time. I think a lot of you also need to be getting your energy off, since Mars comes direct. There will be a lot of pent up energy that would be there, and there are chances that a lot of you could lose your cool around the 16th and the 17th. So be careful of that. Watch your speech. The tarot message for you this month, Cancerians, is to keep it really simple. The universe is asking you not to overanalyze your situation, not to rethink and put every decision or any motive or any gesture that is made from a friend or a colleague under a scanner. Look at things for what they are, keep them simple, keep them nice, and have a lovely month. I'll see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.